You don't get afraid, okay, whatever the situation, even though I may. So don't worry, don't get afraid even a single thing. Because see, there should be a final, see, you want a stable life to be. See, for that there is only way, the truthful way. I will take you all the programs in a safe way. You will not face any mistake. We firmly believe on future. You don't get distracted even a single way, you don't get afraid. I know there are many girls. Today that Mohanan only told me that you live frustrated, you got to marry like that. Actually that is a cornering down. Actually there is a play going on. Actually that Narayana Das only is screwing up everybody. Narayana Das is doing so much. That is first my intention, that is right. My intuition is right. What I identified. That's what I can sense a person when their activities and how they are hijacking and what they want to hide, these all things. I can, he only controlling everyone, because yesterday also I was waiting. Actually yesterday it was so Shravana second Somova, this is the for the Arthanarishna Puja. So this is an auspicious day yesterday. That's a high morning and then I came there. I wanted to see. Actually I was waiting there. At that time only that MP, that kids, they were there and they were doing live report, and at the time only I saw that you will be presenting at 2 o'clock. So then I went to live, because now outside standing there, it's burning heat. So, then I went to the library. Then I came by 1 o'clock there. So at that time I was sitting there. I was sitting and I was checking mobile and I was watching there. And then sometime I was sitting there actually inside there. And then when I opened my eyes, I didn't by the time you like not there. Or these fellows are taking you forcefully through the other way only nowadays. Because today morning also I was standing there. Actually I was in the library. I got down there then when it was there. And then when I was standing there, by the time Sony left, I didn't see that. And after that I have seen that your worker was outside. And I was there. Actually today also PM wrote that this Modi, it's actually see, you have done so much effort, that is what you are afraid. And you have a battalion of workers, some 10-15 vehicles accompanying you. Still you are afraid, and this all police and these CRPF commanders, they are deploying at the entire route you are going. How much money you are wasting, it's your fault, and you have to step out. That's the thing. And it's how much resources, and you are working each and every situation, and it's not a good way to function. Okay, and then this, they were blocking, they were there, and then they were asking me to go like that. By the time I was standing there, by the time there is actually this Narayana Das is hijacking all this Anand SCP through that, all the securities and through the Delhi police, everywhere this bastard is hijacking. That I know previously. Not only there in the Manmohan Singh's office, and wherever all the Malayali securities, only these fellows are screwing up. And there is a culture of fraud. I took big slap that bastard culture. So we used to tell them, oh, they are here from years, and so they know what a culture. But these are the Malayalis. Cultural dirty behavior, strange fellows. And then what actually who are incapable, they will only hijack like this. And it is not that Narayana Das, she only screwing up this Mohanan to tell that previously also this all my sites are Sony told that I am not able to sexual technique. These all things is what he only is. I couldn't understand it. The way he only are making this too. What on to tell that and he only was later hijacked this. So everybody, everything, this sort of thing. Actually, how Prosper is coming, because that is there. Whatever the thing I told you, Somlal, that reached to Prosper. I know that. Also, for sometimes I used to think that Abhishek and their team is there, because that I hadn't doubt previously. Because here the position would think because the messages are coming to me that he is indicating Prosper. But because how the people has been called to Mumbai, that is the thing. That I don't, Abhishek is not having the privilege. The other lobby, they know he is powerful people. So also the UK offers, that is also powerful people. Previously I had a doubt that Abhishek also role in blocking my Abhishek. No, because Abhishek, because from his message later I could understand. No. So this all in all process, Pushpa, what do you decide? That is not going to work out. The world, what is going to happen and how the world should function, that Dr. Sri Lekha means. According to that only, because that much, it was, the universe was preparing me for that. That's the reason I had to undergo these all situations. You are nothing, you are just a silly human being. You are, actually, there is a role. We have a connection, that's the thing, everything. Even though there are things and we are good friends, there is a connection, good reciprocity, there is there. But no, you are pushing me towards my destiny and my purpose. Okay, that's all you are doing to diversify by applying your madness like this or no. jealousy, ego, frustration. But no use. Don't worry. I will get the top. I will make you proud. Don't worry. In all fear, doubt, confusions, everything will get there. Shit. Then you need to understand that way back the entire world entire professional bodies are nice. You can they will actually work for me. And the thing, the focus is coral, you have hijacked that blog. You know, you don't go and attack Professor Dangerous. He is an innocent person, he is not. But Professor Dangerous knows that he is ready. What profession he has done to him. I have done for him. There is a difference there. Okay, so then, and anyway, he is not involved in this. There are people. And then, so, there are active volunteers across the world. Travel I know that you are planning that you have active volunteers, and I know that you have all planned, and my baby don't get distracted. Everything will happen. And but there should be, see, it's not like adjustment alliances, sucking up these uppers. That is what your constant fear. I want you to completely come out from that fear, and you will be the real Bahubali liar. I will make you. That's it. So that no fear, nothing should harm. That's the reason I'm training you. I'm insulting, abusing. You should overcome. You should overcome. You should not get distracted. And that's you should be more powerful. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. And then this matena pressure of taking more and was on a no, don't worry. Then whatever the things I know. And then so don't get because we am telling her Priyanka. See, I could see her attitude, and there is, see, I went to Robert Rodriguez's office and I had given the letter to him. And then yesterday when I called him, he was still, don't call me again. And so I understood that letter didn't reach to you, and that letter I had given when you were in London. So at that and then this whether it is registered to Sonia, I don't know. And whether it is registered to Priyanka also, that I don't know. So there is an agreement, because see, more than Modi, there is another lobbyist. They have agreement with this. Narayana Dasan. If you prove Kerala lobby, actually not that team of four. That there is a thing. There is a play on that side also, because many of the dialogues I could understand. This Narayana Dasan because the Madhonji also when during the election also time he was insulting me. You will become the prime minister tomorrow, like that. And then last week also I told he was insulting that you will become, you are like a monkey leadership, like that. So. But then this yesterday also he was assuring me that he will not get into this trap, and everything in between he was acting nicely. And then he will, everything he will tell also, then this also will trap you everything. That when I met that Delhi Congress person, I came to August onwards, they are planning to take you to Gujarat. And that is it. They also, see, when these doubles have wanted that Narayana was these all fellows, they are not to say that I'm not the leader, you talk to the leaders. The culture of party from his way, that things like could understand that he's playing. And then after he was asking me to apply to no. I met the leaders and then, yeah. So as soon as they always wanted I should tell against KC. Actually, KC is a genuine person, means he have a good understanding, everything is there. But the thing these all the doubles are playing, that's the reason they were also playing, because of that leaders playing. Okay, that's it. And this Narayana Das lobby only blocking, and then he is forced to oblige to them, and that's the eventually, because they have that lobby has took control of Somalala. Through Somalala only, Narayana Das not KCB was being fooled that later about me. And then because that Somalala uncle is under threat in temple, all the Malayali doubles are threatening him for supporting him. That's it. And then the another, see, Narayana Das only playing everywhere, and the way the securities are hijacking, and even when Mohan and after schooling up everything, he is telling that he don't even know Narayana Das. And then this actually in the blockings also, actually that Narayana Das when I forget that he wanted to protect about Priyanka ji, and actually whether Priyanka ji is that involved or Robert Rodriguez involved, I don't know. Then the other is these Narayana Das has involved in National Herald case, and because Sampath Rauda, their agreement is sure. Which at the time when I told, at the time only Sampath Rauda resigned, right? So when recently I told about my plans, and I was asking to Narayana Das about Sampath Rauda. The next day only he have joined back as IOC president. So then this place, and then Narayana Das wants everything to go under his control. But two questions. And when how many times I asked whether this letter has will give it to you or no. You can give it to the reception and it will reach to you. I will not read and it will. I am not sure whether Raji will read or not because we have so many things to me. Raji and other things. We should not want to protect, propagate and market. Yeah, that's the thing. And so in any case, you don't yield to any threat. And even though I told it, Sonali, don't worry. I know that you were at the age of 18. Actually, what are reports about your life offers? And there are two aspects. That's what I want to clarify. But there are things. Don't get afraid. Don't feel bad. And I know at the time you were only 18-year-old. That 18-year-old innocent girl, pure girl, how it will be staged and how it has been propagated, manipulated, screwed up and trend. That there are many things. Don't worry. And Ravuji, don't get afraid and don't yield to anything. I am not telling against you. This is I am telling to. I think these fellows have given a strong against this thing. So that we have to. I have a tarika to come out from that. For that I am doing the things. Don't worry. And in the right way we will take it out. And no, but don't worry. So no problem will haunt. This is for the nation. It should not nation mission and youth or younger generation or then citizens should not suffer because of some incapable politicians and all this all the things. Actually, see, comparing to all the leaders, you have good capability and because you are being blocked of us, and I know that how much capability you need a support. And I know that what is the reason? You are from years of constant stress and so you are bad at time. That's when you are being the present these fellows will put chemicals and all these fellows hijacking everything. I understand you completely more than anybody. These cultural devils and all these artificial matana kind of prostitutes and all cannot. They see what was flowing to me, our Shakti connection that they have trapped and trained and their artificial thing is suggestion. That is not the thing what you want, how you have to be there, what they are present, that is not the support you want, how I know very well how to propagate everything. Don't worry. Don't get afraid. I will not let that happen. Whatever the thing, nobody is caught. Okay? The universe is caught. Because see, I used to go to all the temples. I told you how much blessing from Ernakulam also. See, Ernakulam also I used to go to that Kapalai Ganapati Mountain. He is famous. And then that Kakara, then that Chamapura, that all. Then the Edapalli church every day used to go daily. Then after that, from Bombay, Lal Bahadur Raja's blessings. And after that, I came to Maliman brought me over here, Golden Crown Darshan, and all this one. Actually, first time I went to Vaikuntha temple only here. So there, and then Kamakshi, they all are Shakti Pidas like kind of things. They are all powerful. So that's all these artists, all these, what are the divine blessings, pujas, yajnas, saifon, that are not going to waste. It's not. This is then the universe that there is a change. It's not that. There is a purpose, the way it should go. That is what. So don't get afraid, don't get shelter. You be actually, see there are two ways. Yesterday, your Lok Sabha President Madhavji also told that how. See, yesterday morning in that rail, actually I felt that all that yesterday that that's what I wanted to do that. I did that. And that spiral. So then that you are Chakravarti, that both are something that how the idea is being projected. And then when today that morning told that you die for a stay, you go to marry, you cut and culture upon. Because this one is looking for that double no. Not there. And then Madhavji was telling that how your performance is very. So these fellows will not talk clearly. Everybody will like. Actually, Madhavji under threat of Narayan. So don't worry. See, don't get afraid of it. I went to talk each and every fellows. I went to and there is no need. Actually, I should not. These fellows are not deserving. They do not know who am I and how I should. And this is not the way. We should not demand respect. We should give and take respect. There is a tarika hota hai. Okay. So don't worry. You don't get afraid. And I know that when the moment I am telling against you, these all fellows will insult and you will feel. That's what I understood. They were first whatever the persons you are insulting, so going also the Ganmagana also. Don't worry. I know that when see anybody else is telling also don't know. But the moment when I am telling against you and hurting you will get shattered. That's how you went to the trap that prostituted the ground that also I know that when I told that word actually I have been dragged to that temple. I don't know. That's okay. But see, I know that. But don't get worried about it. I know that that's some situations I have to tell. Don't worry. Don't get. See that natural universe. Also Priyanka ji. I don't know how much. See whether you are knowing or you are being trapped or and there are many things. Also this Harid, these all lobbies. Actually, yeah, that because that UP lobby strongly act. That water supreme, but their offers I know. So how much level this Narayana and the proposals are connected that I know, because through Sagittarius there is a connection that I know. And then I can understand that whenever I am killing these fellows directly attacking my mother in Kerala, through the Kerala parties. എത്ര നാരായണ ഓരോന്ന് അറിയുന്ന മോനെ നിൻ്റെ മോളെ ഞാൻ വെട്ടി നിന്നെ ഒരു തിരിപ്പിടം 100% ഷുവർ. നീ വെറും ഒരു തുച്ഛപ്രാണി പോട്ടിന്നോയെ. പിന്നെ ഓരോരുത്തരും ഒരാൾ പ്ലേയിങ് വിത്ത് മൈ മദർ. I won't forget in IIT there was a Sare bastard. What are the I used to everything bring the halwa, everything you got my mother is preparing. I never considered Abhishek, not even a single thing. For a potty, when you put the chemicals to my mother and me, IIT there was water. Not for that. It is showing the how kind of a warm you go. But anyway, Sonia Ji told that Rahulji, but no, you are not that. Sonia Ji is not that bad lady. She is a quality lady only. But actually the thing now, at the younger age she has been under the trap. She was forced to do that like that. She was not knowing that. That's also, even though she was under the trap, she was in the life attacking these fellows out. That she became a puppet. That's how it is. Okay. So Rahulji, don't worry, don't be tempted, because now see, this is actually even this Mohanan is throwing a person at times. Actually he is also playing, because see, even this everything they are putting, it's not happening just like that. These all are under the horoscope. That was this even last week, this microbes, that even that people told it to me. Usually see, in one way I used to wonder whether this is right in that. That way isn't it so mad on the astrological, these all things. And see, everything is supposed to be happening, because the process each and every component on this process, how many components are is there in our body, and how these all get assembled by process. So that is a supernatural power. So in that case, the each and every attitude has been the same. See, each and every time in our, that's how the astrological scientists are, how they are able to calculate what has to happen, that is they are supposing. Actually this astrology and all, it's not like here and all, not any random knowledge. No, it's not. It should get some divine blessing to it. That kind of people only can accurately predict. Okay, so at that time, this, when something bad has to happen, you will be dragged to that position. Even the vast floor, they are supposed to, when our bad anytime you will be supposed to be dragged to that home. That's how I in some bad happened to me. And then at the time I was in my uncle's house. That was a big house, and but the thing, it was have vastu dosha. My uncle also got devastated, lost, and that's the thing. And then our home, I know that my father was not doing the thing, and I told that we have actually in our olden that tells homes all not like bedrooms, rooms, halls like world, everything. So I told that we want two separate rooms. Also. So father was not ready to do it. So I decided, and I applied my engineering, general graphics, and I decided to do. So but that time only that Putra has cut, and that day only my father's leg got broken, and it is sort of was 100%. Vastu is actually it's based upon, that's the thing, that see, everything is based upon another, that imbalance only happening. That is what I'm telling to the person also, overall. That's what I'm telling, that this is patronized that much poison energy. I could understand how your body is changing, that the poison is that you are for the body. It's getting that negative energy is getting spread. That's what I'm telling you. So all things are real. Yes. So then from that time onwards in our home, that all bad things and everything, and then this harassment. Even the Ernala home, that is also vastu dosha problem. So they are actually in the second fell died before my purpose or something like that. Okay. So that's what my father was there. From that home, he died. My mother is serving. I can understand. I was shut up when I was in that house, especially the room which my mother and me used to sleep. That room only has more. Okay, I can understand. Now my is burning there, and I know that how much this thing. This is on because also our front of how much we don't demolish that also, that park that is sitting, that is again the problem. I don't know. So many things are there. These all are energy balance. It will affect. That is true. I have experience from my life. I was doing a research. My research was in multi-level. There are many births to understand my body. So see how my face will change like that. And then what? Yes. After coming to this also, what? Where? Yes. What? But after coming to here also. See, the same only for you when that you are in the 12th class and that form was not good. That's what you are being stuck up in that. That's what actually when you are bad again, you are automatically being dragged into that. So now, see, when I came up that only you have been disqualified because of you. Then I was free out from that form. Actually, today I was training the pedestrian but also have gone. Actually, before Rajiv was shifting to that house, somebody has warned him that don't shift to that house. It is not good. There is some unknown position. There is some food. These all things used to come. Salt certainly used to come or something. And then he made a laugh at it. So that food will be taken afraid of me and a level. But eventually he died in that house, right? So then after that, this. After that, what? This. Actually, in the report, see, there are many things I read today also. See, it might be that this coincidence happened. But that's what I wanted to have a discussion with the community. You should talk. It has meant to be explained. See, there are, but all the things are matched. There are things. Also, there is a fear. How Rahulji is forcefully being. Actually, that is no Priyanka ji, Sonia ji knows. Priyanka ji will but the thing, there is that this Mohan and Narayanas, they are threatening. They are threatening Sonia ji to that they are no. There is an agreement. There are so many things. So many places are going on. And these all are not going to work. Listen clearly. Hereafter in India's future also, this kind of Mohan and Narayan, this kind of Narayanga, this kind of Kachras are not going to be used at any cost. It's enough, more than enough you are playing at it. That's the thing. Whenever I am telling us to bring the Rahulji or anything also, the humor that this culture of party who is not India only getting provoked and trying into the trap. Culture of party, get out. And there is no point in holding because I understood clearly. I was cross-checking, verifying everything. Culture. What the hell is culture of party? On what basis you are telling about me and my family? What is your eligibility test? You do not have any eligibility status. More than 1,000 kilometers. That much culture or Narayana's culture of party. How many times I called you bloody bastard? And you are telling about KCV. So what did you do? What is your capability? Fraud. You are doing the overall acting so gentlemen and the thing, and they are only more cowards like that, okay? And playing around because cases still they are doing the downline work also there. But you are telling that you are busy, you are doing the work and all. But the thing it matters. How many times I called you from the past 2-3 months to tell my plans and culture and there is no point. Actually, see the nation. Actually, you tell us nothing. And I know that the hijacking and the airport at that time, the police blocking and this whole thing and how this that Malayali security. The Delhi police you are the whatever. Also, the Delhi police is desperate. They all want to obtain this to Modi, and they all are desperately waiting that Congress will waiting for. And they are all frustrated and when I tell you they are also getting out there. So many places are going. I could understand that for all that Kuda, Kida, like that for some dominant powers and they are thinking that they are the ultimate. Also the Salman Khurshid and reply. Also this another has control over that that Salman's staff and they are also how much level in that because actually give the idea of these all things coming there. There are so many. So baby, don't get afraid, don't get worried. Any these Kachara are forcefully bringing that water also, don't get afraid. I am there. Don't yield to anything and again don't delve into that. Actually, since I told about that activity and all, this fellows will forcefully drag you. And don't get afraid and don't yield to. Sonia ji, don't get afraid. I know to take care of you, both of you, not everybody. Priyanka also, don't get afraid. But now, when I am here, I cannot control that because see, that is also the way the people, it might be making me to tell the thing. So don't worry. Don't get afraid, don't think. mission is ultimate. There is a purpose for my it's not bath and the kitchen. Don't worry. There is more playing. See, whenever these fellows waited also, I never purposefully played and I didn't come. It's not like that. I was not able to come. There is something happening. And I'm not purposefully playing. Either this black magic, that is for sure 100% is there. But the universe also there is something. Because that time my birthday then how much I was desperately waiting that the day you call and meet like that. Then after seeing that message, I was feeling so bad. After seeing that message at the time the put I got so happy and I got excited. And then after the minute I thought, I'm coming out to what I will be there in the what I want. I actually wanted to upload the video and after that I wanted to come back. That's why I went there. This uploading this fellows are blogging on the day and I was not able till 5 o'clock I was there. Editing in your attitude, some of us are coming how you are thinking. I know that you are getting easily excited and don't worry baby, don't worry. And I know that this also trouble you trap you more, don't get up, don't hereafter this Narayana won't play in your Rekachara party, you will be forcibly cut down, that is for sure. That much disastrous poison is you are, because everything has a limit. Kachara party can't rated also Kachara party mon and Kachara party has cut the Kachara party, everything is so Manmohan Singh was a useless prime minister. What is your about in the death about? I did 24 hours. What these fellows are doing that? At what basis these fellows are taken? I could understand it. What is their agreement? Because Sonia Ji was keeping Manmohan Ji and she was acting as the APM. So this is the connection. This Mohan and these all are things all the capital and these fellows only doing all the things. And this is I could understand the level everything. How much these fellows have played and where the lobby is this much getting. And when I was telling about the Malayali lobby that Soman along also got frustrated on these fellows. Whatever thing you will listen nothing. Just calm down, cool down. Actually, but others, I told the community people, they are not this much arrogant and even the people have done frauds, but everybody we will not have this much of ego attitude, arrogance, even the building also with their promotion, complex, these are things are not there. Everybody. But these fellows didn't do the much higher frauds like the massive fraud that BMK people have done, Raja and all have done like that. The frauds these fellows have not, but these running the challenges, pulling the leg down, this all thing is there. That is in the blood of the Malayalis. Okay, so anyway, baby, you don't worry. You are the Malayali. You are supposed to go tomorrow to why not? No, you go. But Priyanka ji, wait till then I go to that much frustrated after seeing Robert Rodriguez that post. Because, see, everything I send mails also by telling the things again. Also, I got afraid that Monday he went to Mahakal. That I put in the book. No. Abhishek is very baby.